still can't believe Mom led a whole rebellion here. Against Odin. And never...
I hope you ain't looking for gold, partner. I ain't seen so much as a fleck round here.
Oh, hello. Ellie, look at the floor. There's more stuff down there.
You see a way down?
Not here.
Among the stars.
My focus might be able to help you.
Show off.
Hogwarts Castle was built by, and is itself a stronghold of that ancient magic. I don't know where she came into possession of the portkey, but I am certain it was to do with that search. Ah, that's the part that...
You shouldn't be out here with a